NZ Wardrobes, the benefits of custom wardrobes. Custom wardrobes offer superior storage, organization, and style compared to standard options. They maximize space, improve functionality, and enhance home aesthetics. Key benefits: optimized space, designed to fit unique spaces, eliminating wasted areas. Better organization, features like shoe racks and drawers streamline daily routines. Personalized style, custom materials and finishes match your decor. Increased home value, well-designed storage appeals to buyers. Reduced clutter and stress, a structured closet saves time and frustration. Wardrobe types: walk-in, spacious, sliding door, space-saving, fitted, floor-to-ceiling, corner, efficient for small spaces. Why choose custom over standard? Standard wardrobes are cheaper but lack flexibility. Custom designs provide better space utilization, style, and long-term value. A custom wardrobe isn't just storage, it's a smart investment in home organization and daily convenience.